Hello, my name is Alor. In accordance with the activity I perform, I would like to continue working in a company since it is a multinational and is very well positioned in the market and industry. With solid foundation and a trajectory of more than 100 years in the world, today is present in our region and only since the exploitation of oil and gas gigants. I am good for today and able to work for a short time in this company. Halliburton. I am a leader. I like to work as a team to perform quality work, provide confidence and generate added value for our clients. The current salary is according with my function. With employee according to my performance and your position. Halliburton. In Halliburton, we are present in highly depend on our commitment and performance.